Tired of juggling multiple software programs for your business? Wondering if Vagaro can truly integrate with the tools you already love? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Vagaro's compatibility. We'll explore how this powerful salon and spa software seamlessly connects with other essential business tools, saving you time, reducing errors, and ultimately boosting your bottom line. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. What exactly is Vagaro? For those unfamiliar, Vagaro is a comprehensive business management platform designed specifically for the beauty and wellness industry. Think of it as your all-in-one solution for scheduling appointments, managing clients, processing payments, and much more. But what truly sets Vagaro apart is its impressive compatibility. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. What tools does Vagaro play nice with? 1. Payment gateways. Seamless transactions. Vagaro integrates with a wide range of popular payment gateways, including Stripe, Square, and PayPal. This means you can easily accept credit cards, debit cards, and even digital wallets directly within the platform. No more clunky external payment processors. Reduced manual entry. Say goodbye to manual data entry. With integrated payment gateways, transaction information is automatically synced with your client records and sales reports, saving you valuable time and minimizing the risk of errors. Increased security. Leading payment gateways prioritize security, providing you and your clients with peace of mind. 2. Accounting software. Effortless reconciliation. Integrating Vagaro with accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero streamlines your bookkeeping process. Automated data transfer. Transaction data, including sales, expenses, and taxes, can be automatically exported to your accounting software. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and reduces the risk of discrepancies. Improved financial reporting. With integrated accounting, you gain deeper insights into your business's financial performance. 3. Marketing platforms. Targeted campaigns. Connect Vagaro with email marketing platforms like MailChimp or Constant Contact to create targeted marketing campaigns. Automated reminders. Send automated appointment reminders and promotional offers directly to your clients' inboxes. Increased client engagement. Keep your clients engaged and informed about special offers, new services, and upcoming events. 4. Communication tools. Enhanced client communication. Integrate with messaging apps like SMS or email to communicate seamlessly with your clients. Appointment reminders. Send automated appointment reminders via SMS or email to reduce no-shows and improve client satisfaction. Instant notifications. Receive instant notifications for new bookings, cancellations, and other important events. 5. E-commerce platforms. Expanded sales channels. If you offer retail products, integrate Vagaro with e-commerce platforms like Shopify or Etsy to expand your sales channels. Inventory management. Track inventory levels in real time and ensure you always have the products your clients need. Streamline checkout. Offer a seamless checkout experience for online product purchases. But wait, there's more. Vagaro also integrates with a variety of other useful tools, including calendar apps. Integrate with Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar to easily manage your schedule and avoid double bookings. CRM software. Integrate with CRM software to track client interactions, preferences, and purchase history. Loyalty programs. Integrate with loyalty programs to reward repeat customers and encourage repeat business. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this impressive compatibility. Increased efficiency. By automating tasks and streamlining workflows, you can significantly increase your efficiency and free up more time to focus on other aspects of your business. Reduced errors. Automating data entry and minimizing manual processes significantly reduces the risk of human error. Improved client experience. Enhanced communication tools and a seamless booking experience lead to a more positive client experience. Data-driven decisions. Access to comprehensive data and insights empowers you to make informed business decisions. Competitive advantage. By leveraging the power of integrations, you gain a competitive edge in the market. So, how do you get started with these integrations? The good news is that many of these integrations are easy to set up within the Vagaro platform. Simply navigate to the Integrations section within your account and follow the on-screen instructions. Still unsure which integrations are right for your business? Vagaro offers excellent customer support. Reach out to their team for personalized guidance and recommendations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.